So we're continuing to deal with a problem here where the needle wants to drag on the little, it has a little smile-shaped slot that it goes through here. And this slot, although it's a 1/16 of an inch wide, every time magnetically it grabs and kind of pulls it one way or the other. But look at how much movement. That's way too much. The top of this needle should be located in this jewel right here without it wobbling at all. And what happens is it's wobbling and magnetically pulls the arm against the little smile cutout here. And I don't know. I guess we're going to have to adjust that out because it's causing the needle to drag in some instances. It's just, ancient history. All right, that's enough.